I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the President of Maldives, His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Muiz. I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the President for his visionary policy and to make Maldives a hub for international sporting events. This policy not only elevates the pride and exposure of our athletes, but it also unlocks vast opportunities for the Maldivian people. Every tournament held here opens new doors for sports tourism, bringing athletes, fans, spectators from around the world to experience both world-class competitions and the unique warmth of Maldivian hospitality. In line with the government's vision, visitor economy concept, these events will help boost our economy by fostering a sustainable tourism model that creates jobs, supports local businesses, and promotes our islands as a premium destination for both leisure and sports tourism.